Good afternoon, Dave, the one mechanic. So today, I'm going to show my box. You guys have already seen it in the toolbox tour. It's a 5-door Mac Tools box. I've added the side cart too, but I want to talk about the main cart itself. So it's a 5-drawer with a sliding top, and it is a Mac number MB199UCFD. So 5-door cart, sliding top. Love this cart, really do. I kind of wish I had one more drawer, but really overall, was very happy with it. Top slides out, which I love, because you have these nice work surfaces in. Still full access to your tools. Well, kind of. So this side, that's all farther it opens. Look at all this room here. So the idea of this cart, there's a pass-through here, and then there's a pass-through right up in the corner of this. And it stays open this much, so you can run a power cord up into this side for a like scanner or laptop or anything else. You keep it plugged in overnight so it's always charged up, run your wires out of it, whatever you need to do. Great idea, but doesn't really work for my situation. So I come to find out that in this drawer are these two clips. There's one here and there's one over here, and they look like this. Just a little L bracket with a little rubber stomp on it, and they're riveted in. Cut off the rivet, and this will slide out. Like so. And now, look all the room it created. It created all this space right through here. So I just want to show you guys that little modification. Simple, easy, adds quite a bit to the box room. A lot more room on top. Made a big difference organizing it. So I hope that's helpful. If you like it, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys have a good one. See you later. Ciao.